and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting new tools to share with you. Our first tool is SUNEX Tools Flexible Magnetic Strip and Bowl. This product features 14 rare earth magnets for reliable grip on fasteners, tools, and parts. The tray functions as a flat mat or parts tray. Next is the Grip-On 10-piece essential locking pliers set from Dynamic Tools. This set includes 10 essential designs and sizes for when a strong grip is needed. The no-pinch, easy-release lever eliminates painful accidental pinching of hands and fingers. Our third tool is Tool-Aid's 5-piece clip lifter set featuring sizes of 5, 7, and 11 millimeters, along with 4 different offsets for broader coverage. This tool set includes a dual-dip ergonomic grip and is organized in an EVA foam tray. Next tool is WPLS 50 Light Duty Mobile Column Lift from Gray Manufacturing. This lift offers 5,000 pounds of a lifting capacity with a T-handle designed for easy maneuverability even in tight spaces, and a self-contained modular design. Finally, our last tool comes from Carbyne Tools, a 62-piece Master Torx bit socket set and external socket set built for the demands of automotive repair. It includes a full range of Torx, tamper-proof Torx, Torx Plus, and external Torx sockets. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes open for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.